Hello and welcome everybody, I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you today how to make all three of the healing potions that you can possibly craft in mobile version. In and those potions would be simply the lesser healing potions, the healing potion, and the greater healing potion. And of course in the PC there's super healing potion, but that's not existent. So for the lesser healing potion, you will to craft that you will need 2 bottles, 1 mushroom, and 2 gel. This is one of the most simple potions you could ever make. To get 2 bottles, you will need 1 glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace. Super simple. To get a mushroom, you can find it growing on any pure green grass biome pretty much. And to get 2 gel, you simply kill some slimes. Literally the first monster you should usually encounter. Obviously, I have a lot of that. So, let's craft this. And these ingredients will make you 2, because, well, you can't actually make 1 lesser healing potion. It's not even possible. See, as you can see, here's a lesser healing potion, material, consumable, and restores 50 life. So, I'm going to demonstrate. Look above my head. There you go. You saw the 50, the green 50 above my head, and that's just a little bit of proof. I didn't need the healing, but you can still drink potions when you don't need them. On one hand, kind of cool, but on the other, not so cool. So, what I'm doing is I have to wait for the potion cooldown, because when you drink a potion, it actually gives you a buff or debuff that is called potion cooldown. So let's make a healing potion. You will need those 2 lesser healing potions and 1 glowing mushroom. That's it. To get a glowing mushroom, you simply swing your sword like a maniac around a mushroom biome, a glowing mushroom biome at that, because that's the only really real mushroom biome there is. And you pick up mushrooms. So as you can see, material, consumable, and restores 100 life. You craft it on alchemy station, just like the rest of all potions, pretty much. And to get an alchemy station, all you do is place an empty bottle on a workbench of any type. If you followed this series, which I don't think you have, because it's really just a series to help new people who don't really know what they're doing with potions, and they don't know what they're missing out on when they don't make these potions. So I'm just sort of here to help people. But yeah, the potion cooldown is almost over. I think it lasts about a minute, so look right above my head. There you go, 100 life. So I'm gonna actually log off for a bit, right, to wait for the potion cooldown. To make a greater healing potion, that's what we're making now. We'll need 1 bottle, one crystal shard, and 3 pixie dust. See, to get bottled water, you will need to have 1 glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those 2 bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in water of any type and craft bottled water in the potions section. You will only need 1 of those 2 bottled waters. To get pixie dust, you kill some pixies. To get crystal shards, you can find it growing and glowing around in the underground pearlstone biome in the Hollow. As you can see, greater healing potion, consumable, and restores 150 life. Very simple. You craft on an alchemy station, just like the rest of them. So I'm gonna skip forward, and I'll see you soon. Alright, I'm back, and I'm here to show you how much life this restores. Look right above my head. There you go, 150. Very satisfying to see that number above your head. The greater healing potions will prove to be super useful during boss fights. And I can say that the greater healing potions have really helped me during boss fights, because the first few times fighting Plantera has just been would be horrifying without my vampire knives. And thanks to the greater healing potions, it works. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really loved it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the Game Pro T32, and I'm out.